Shout out to my buddy Jeff. We've been friends on YouTube for about 15 years now. Back when I used to make gun videos. And a couple of years ago, he told me that I influenced him to get a van, and he finally got a van. So I'm going to show you guys that in a second. I'll see you soon, and I'll see you soon. And I hope to see you too someday. Here's the van he just bought. I'll pin it in the comments section. So if you guys want to watch a video of a van build from start all the way to November, hopefully. He's in Texas and he's going to try to make the November lifted van meet in Anza Borrego. Check out his channel. Nice clean slate right here. There's his channel. 2010. There's Gray Kid. I made a promise to her that if she gets better somehow, she's gonna go with me no matter where I go. She's going to the next lifted van meet. Jeff said his cat's his best buddy, so I look forward to what you do with your van to make it compatible with your cat. That would be cool if you put a cat tree in your van since you have a high top roof. Sebastian, I see you. You're right there. Sebastian just uploaded a video, guys, so check it out. First one here. So if you're watching this the day I upload it, I will stop by the parking lot later, say hi to you guys, and then I'll see you guys officially Saturday morning. So it's Friday today and I'm spending time with Brooke right now.